friends, today we're going to do a quick tour of the JW Marriott in Panama City, Panama. This hotel was built in many years ago as a Trump hotel, and then it later converted to a JW Marriott. They've done a fantastic job keeping this hotel up. Check it out. I'm going to start with a quick look of the hallways. These are super wide hallways. The hotel is also built as a sailboat, so both wings meet at the end over there where the elevator bank is. Coming into your room, you enter. It is a very large room. In the walls, there is wooden paneling. Right after the entrance, there is a closet with multiple types of hangers, shirts, dresses, pants. Over to the right, there's multiple laundry bags. There's even a shoe shine rag, also a shoe shine brush, a umbrella, a luggage rack, drawers for your clothes, an ironing board. There is a full-length mirror on this side of the closet. You can close that and then move on to other parts of the room. Next is the bathroom. Look at this beautiful large bathroom with a standalone tub in the middle of the room, stone tile, stone countertops. The water for the tub comes out of this section right here. Let me turn it on for you. And then it starts to fill up your tub. They even give you bath salts. Very thoughtful. Tons of little amenities, dental kits, shower caps, sewing kits, mouthwash, lotion, soaps, multiple towels, hand towels, washcloths, drinking glasses, hair dryer, tissues. Coming over to this section, you can see the entrance to the water closet. There's the toilet, and to the left of that immediately is the shower. The shower opens inland. You can enter the shower. There's very large amenity bottles, more soap, more washcloths, rain shower head. There is a robe with slippers. Overall, the bathroom is fully stocked. If you come over to this section, you see the mini bar with vodka, wine, whiskey, glass, multiple types of glasses, to-go cups, coffee, tea. If you open below here, there is a mini refrigerator that is fully stocked with more amenities. At the top, there is an espresso coffee maker. To the left, there is a safe with more drawers. Very well done. I don't think this hotel has been significantly renovated in many years. At least the case goods are the same as they were when it was a Trump hotel, I believe. I could be wrong. But if you look closely, some of the furniture is a little chipped. You can see that they tried to fix it up. There's a couple of spots. If you come over here, you can see that it's been definitely worn. But if you look from afar, it's very well kept and it's clean and well maintained. So I give them really kudos for that. In the nightstand, there's a mini bar menu as well as your mobile dining menu. Your phone, your remote in a leather case. Really thoughtful. Again, large room, comfy bed. The TV is on this side. Moving over to the right of the TV, there's a desk with multiple outlets and Ethernet cords, as well as more of the dining option menus in this case. There's another phone there as well. Here's a look of the room from this side. There's a curtain there to give you a little more privacy in the bathtub. There's a chair that you can sit to relax and enjoy yourself here. And if you want to go outside, there is a balcony. This hotel is very tall. I am currently on the 34th floor, and I have to admit, I'm a little terrified of stepping out here. That is the ocean. There is another residential tower right across, and if you see through here, you can maybe take a peek of all of the other activity in Panama City, Panama. Overall, I'm going to give you now a panoramic view of the room. Very nice room. I have visited a few other properties in Panama on this trip, and I can tell you that this is one of the best rooms, if not the best room in the city that I've seen so far. Enjoy!